Here we are at question 13 of Reading Comprehension drill set number 3's second passage over at lawhub.lsac.org. As always, we've got a highlight tool ready to go, and we're going to engage with the question stem first, which reads, the author of the passage would be most likely to characterize Bloch's scholarly work as blank. So we'll highlight author of the passage, characterize Bloch's scholarly work as, and we know exactly what the subject matter is, which is Bloch's scholarly work. And we have our highlighted sentences already selected from our upfront read. And as we scroll down, we can see that Bloch's contributions to the Annales school are in our primary highlighted sentence from the second paragraph. And we can read from here that these contributions are epitomized in several books that are still widely read and highly influential. So we already know what the author thinks just from that first sentence of the second paragraph. So we just need to find an answer choice that matches this idea that these contributions are widely read, highly influential, and epitomize the Annales school. So we've got our highlight tool still ready to go as we work through the answer choices, looking for reasons to eliminate and marking those as we work through the process of elimination. So choice A, unique in its approach to material culture. Well, it's one of several authors as part of this school, so it can't be stated that Bloch's work is explicitly unique, so we can eliminate choice A for that reason. Then choice B, innovative in its time and still of major importance. Well, ding, 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 that's going to be highly influential right there, as we just read. So at the very worst, we're going to hold on to choice B. And if we feel confident in what we've read and how this matches, we can proactively select it probably at this point as well, allowing us to go a little bit more briskly through the remaining answer choices. Then choice C, a refinement of the historical approach advocated by positivists. Well, it's not a refinement of this approach. It's kind of its own approach, if you recall our initial upfront read. So choice C is ultimately a reversal in the information. Then choice D, less relevant to the study of economic history than to the study of political history. Well, this is where you don't want to hunt and peck. We know that the author is largely positive about Bloch's scholarly work, and I don't want to go track whether political history and economic history are directly contrasted. Well, we'd find if we read in greater detail that they aren't in this second paragraph. So that's why proactively selecting B can be beneficial. But of course, choice D is also incorrect. And then choice E, less convincing in its interpretation of ritual kingship than in its account of ties of dependency. Very similar to choice D. We're looking at a positive outcome ultimately, as what the author would believe about Bloch's scholarly work. And by turning this into kind of a hidden main idea task, as opposed to thinking we need to hunt and peck, we can arrive to the correct answer of B, hopefully in rather expedient fashion. If you enjoyed this LSAT reading comprehension explanation video, please consider liking it or subscribing to our channel so that you'll be alerted when new explanation videos are produced by my guru. Also, check out the description below because within it, you'll find links to full prep test sets of explanations as well, and some additional links that can help you as you walk your LSAT journey. And remember that applying to law school is supposed to be hard.